channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making Captain Marvel themed cupcakes. So, let's take a break and bake. So like I said, we're making Captain Marvel themed cupcakes. Captain Marvel is coming out this week and I'm so excited to watch it. So I thought, let's make a dessert themed to Captain Marvel. So these are actually red velvet cupcakes decorated with some blue and red frosting and a star on top to theme to Captain Marvel's super suit. A red velvet cake was actually requested by this user. It was requested to be a Valentine's treat. Sadly, I already have my Valentine's videos already filmed, so I decided to save this request to make Captain Marvel themed cupcakes. Can you guys comment down a treat you want me to make for the next Marvel movie, Avengers Endgame? I'm so excited to watch that as well. I really can't wait to the end of April, so comment down another treat you want me to make in honor of Avengers Endgame. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with all your superhero loving fans, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. And now let's make these Captain Marvel cupcakes. The ingredients you need are 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and finally 2 ounces red food coloring. For decoration you need frosting color to be red and blue, yellow fondant, and gold luster dust. The first step to making these marvelous cupcakes is to cream together your shortening and sugar until light and fluffy. Then you're going to add your eggs into that mixture one at a time and making sure that each egg is well incorporated before adding the next egg. Now using your red food coloring, you're going to mix together your cocoa powder and your food coloring. After mixing your cocoa powder and red food coloring, you're going to add that into your shortening mixture. Then you're going to mix it once again. FYI, I'm using a really dark cocoa powder, so the cake won't be as bright as a normal red velvet cake. Now you're going to mix together your flour and your salt and just set that aside. Take your milk and your vanilla and put that in the same bowl and mix it up and set that aside as well. Now we're going to alternately mix in the flour and the milk. After each step, make sure to mix really well. So you add 1/3 of the dry mixture, mix it up, and add 1/2 of the milk mixture, mix it up, add another 1/3 of the dry mixture, mix it up, add the rest of the milk mixture, mix it up, finally add the last bit of your flour and mix it up one last time. And then you're going to mix in your baking soda until well incorporated. After you've added in your baking soda, you're going to add in your vinegar. Mix one more time, making sure everything is well incorporated, but don't overmix. And now we're going to start filling up our cupcake liners. You're going to fill them up to about halfway full. After you've done this, put them in the oven at 350 from 12 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so the cupcakes are out of the oven and right now they're cooling on the side. So I wanted to talk to you guys about something. As you know, Captain Marvel's name is Carol Danvers and her superhero suit colors are red, blue, and gold. And I was thinking about what dessert I should do for this superhero. And then I remembered something. Another superhero, blue, and gold. Do you guys know who that superhero is? I'll give you a hint. It's not Marvel, it's a DC character. Supergirl, also known as Kara Danvers, suit is red, blue, and gold. So what if Kara Danvers and Carol Danvers are siblings? They're both super strong and they have the exact same color scheme. So, I don't know guys, you tell me down below if you think they may be related. Even though I'm super excited for this superhero movie, one thing I find a little interesting is that Captain Marvel is basically a mixture of all the Avengers into one person. Alright, here, let me tell you why. She can fly, that's super cool, right? But so can Iron Man and Thor. Alright, so she's super strong. So's the Hulk and Captain America and Iron Man and Thor and more. And her superhero suit colors are red, blue, and gold. I think Marvel is just having a little bit of a creator's block. And then they come up with Captain Marvel, which is basically a mixture of all the characters mixed in together. Our red velvet cupcakes were all done baking and all done cooling, so now we're gonna start to decorate them. We're gonna decorate the cupcakes with the frosting like how I decorated my chocolate cupcakes in my first video. We have my 2 bags of red and blue frosting, and we're just gonna put them in a bigger piping bag with a large star tip. Then we're just gonna go around the cupcakes until everything is covered. After that, we're gonna top them with the fondant star I made last night, and then I brushed with some gold luster dust. After we put that onto the cupcake, then we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of gold luster dust onto these cupcakes and they'll be complete. And I bet they'll be super delicious. Okay, are these superhero puns bothering you guys? These cupcakes are all done and I actually did a little bit of last minute decoration work on them. My family thought it needed just a little bit more gold, so using yellow fondant, I made some bands that looked like they would come off of a ribbon, and then I used the gold luster and put it on there. Then I attached it to the cupcakes, and we got these wonderful, marvelous cupcakes. So now it's time for the taste test. These are so amazing, and of course, so is Marvel, so these have to be amazing. The red velvet is such a classic flavor, very fluffy, very delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video of bacon and buttercream. I hope you enjoyed this Marvel-themed dessert. Next month, there's actually the in-game movie, so let me know down in the comments below what dessert should I make to celebrate that wonderful movie. So I can't wait for that, so let me know down in the comments below what you think I should make in celebration for that movie. And while you're already down there, might as well hit like on this video and share it with all your friends. And hit subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Click one of these two videos right here. The top one YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this bottom one, and click the bacon and buttercream logo over here to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, have a great day. And I'm gonna go get my ticket to the theaters right now. I know the movie isn't out yet here, but I don't want to miss it, so I'm just gonna wait in line.